doing, sweetie? There you go. Baby eye. Cutie patootie. Look at that. He just can't open his eyes. Oh my goodness. And he's back asleep. And there we are. Tons of hiccups. Hey, baby. But what is that thing? I like black and white. I like black and white. The camera is black. Yay, I can see it very well. Let's lay you down and get him his clothes. Yay! We're gonna dress you now. Oh yeah. Good morning, Joey.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, sweetie pie. Oh, I think somebody is a little hungry, maybe? No. But he is very much awake. Oh my goodness. He let me sleep last night. Wow. Well, that's not surprising. He lets me sleep every night. Yeah. You want boo? Boo. He's like, what the heck is that? Кнопочка мамина маленькая. Я? Солнышко. Мамина солнышко. I love you, Кнопця. Ты моя лапочка. Little Nate is having a snack. Look at my unbelievable nails. I still haven't had a chance to fix my nails after birth. Sitting in the birthing pool for 2.5 hours did a number on my nail polish. Totally like unsoaked them, and they were like starting to peel off from the tips. They look like a nightmare. Yeah. Time for a manicure session. Mini manicure session. You're not cold now? Good, good. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Here's Mama's breakfast today. A homemade breakfast burrito with those black things you see. That's portobello mushroom. Tomatoes. This is like a pastry my sister made. It has like cottage cheese, ricotta cheese, and I think mozzarella cheese. It's just a hint sweet, so just a little bit, and it's a flaky dough. So, and my dandy blend. So yeah, this hungry mama is very hungry, I should say. You're done eating? And Joey has become such a picky eater. Wow. It's kind of driving me crazy. Whew. Wow. Anyway, look what we got here. He's eating too. Everybody's eating. My kids are watching Jungle Book and eating toast and butter. Yeah, and I was finally able to make my breakfast right before the baby started crying. So that was good timing. Hi, Joey.
Mama, what did this?
Katusha made this pastry thingy.
Mama, how did
You took a bite yesterday and you tossed it. You threw it away. You spit it out, remember? You said you didn't like it. You can try it today. No, you want to try my burrito? No, it's got some meat and eggs in there. Yummy.
I don't want it.
Yeah. He doesn't want anything except ice cream, cereal, smoothie, cookies, chocolate. There, I think I named it all. You got cute pajamas on. Yeah. He looks so big to me now. Wow. And he was like the baby here. It's amazing when you bring a little newborn home. Other kids look so much bigger and more mature. It's incredible. And this little munchkin is definitely big to me. And so sturdy and strong and nice and thick. And this little guy is the most gentlest thing in the world. I feel so blessed. I feel special. Like, right, I'm not special, but like I feel fortunate, like lucky to have another baby here. I don't know why. Could be because I'm getting old and more mature in my brain, that I know that babies don't just happen. They're hard to give birth to. They are so hard to bring into this world, and probably, well, I'm pretty sure, even harder to parent.
Mama, can you
And I'm here to sit down and gonna eat some lunch. Yesterday's tacos by my niece. And this little guy is being a good, sweet little boy, letting mama eat, I hope. And hiccuping, of course.